everyone, welcome to the 9th class chemistry video lesson. Continuing chapter study of gas laws, today we are going to study about Charles' law. The studies on the effect of temperature on the volume of a gas at constant pressure were first carried out by the French scientist Charles in 1787, and then his work was extended by Joseph Gay Lussac in 1802 and a law called Charles' law was given. Charles' law states that pressure remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas increases or decreases by 1 over 273 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius for every 1 degree rise or fall in temperature. This law can also be expressed mathematically. For that, suppose a certain mass of a gas at temperature 0 degrees Celsius and a pressure P has volume V0. Now, if the temperature of the gas is increased from 0 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius, then according to Charles' law, its volume will increase by 1 over 273 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the volume of the gas at 1 degree Celsius will be equal to V0 plus 1 over 273 multiplied by V0. If the temperature of the gas is further increased from 1 degree Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, then there will be increase by 1 over 273 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the volume of gas at 2 degrees Celsius will be equal to volume of gas at 1 degree Celsius plus 1 over 273 multiplied by V0, which on further solving will become equal to V0 plus 2 into 1 over 273 into V0. Again, if the temperature of the gas is increased by 1 degree Celsius, that is, it is changed from 2 degrees Celsius to 3 degrees Celsius, then again there will be an increase of 1 over 273 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the volume of gas at 3 degrees Celsius will be equal to volume of gas at 2 degrees Celsius plus 1 over 273 into V0, which on further solving will become equal to V0 plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 273 multiplied by V0. Note here that these three equations at three different temperatures are just similar. इनमें सिर्फ यही डिफरेंस है कि जिस टेम्परेचर पे गैस है वही नंबर सेकेंड टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. So, if V1 is the volume of a gas at temperature T1, then V1 is equal to V0 plus T1 multiplied by 1 over 273 multiplied by V0. Taking V0 as common factor, it becomes V0 multiplied by 1 plus T1 over 273. Then taking LCM, it becomes V0 multiplied by 273 plus T1 over 273. And if V2 is the volume of gas at temperature T2, then V2 is equal to V0 plus T2 multiplied by 1 over 273 multiplied by V0. Taking V0 as common factor, it becomes equal to V0 multiplied by 1 plus T2 over 273. Then taking LCM, V2 will become equal to V0 multiplied by 273 plus T2 over 273. On dividing V1 by V2, we get V0 into 273 plus T1 over 273 multiplied by 273 over V0 into 273 plus T2. On simplifying, this equation will become equal to 273 plus T1 over 273 plus T2. Now we know that the temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to 273 plus temperature on centigrade scale. So, putting 273 plus T1 equal to capital T1 is taken as the corresponding temperature on Kelvin scale, and 273 plus T2 equal to capital T2, which is the corresponding temperature on the Kelvin scale. We get V1 over V2 equal to T1 over T2. The equation V1 over V2 equal to T1 over T2 can also be written as V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. This equation is called Charles' law equation. This equation suggests that the ratio of the volume and Kelvin temperature of a gas at constant pressure is constant. So we can write V over T equal to K, where K is the constant. This equation can also be written as V equal to KT, which shows that the volume is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature. Therefore, the Charles' law may also be stated as pressure remaining constant, volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its Kelvin temperature. Charles' law can also be explained on the basis of kinetic molecular theory of gases. According to kinetic molecular theory of gases, the average kinetic energy of the molecules of a gas is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature of the gas. So it means if the temperature of the gas is increased at constant pressure, the molecules will gain kinetic energy, due to which they will move with higher velocities and greater momentum, and they expand to increase the volume of the gas. According to Charles' law, a plot of volume versus Kelvin temperature at constant pressure will be a straight line passing through the origin. Because as the temperature of the gas increases, its volume also increases. And as the temperature of the gas decreases, its volume also decreases.